Okay guys, this is getting into episode 2 here, and we're moving right along here. We are finishing up the driver's side here. These are the panels that's going to be welded in, and this is kind of what I had to come up with here, and kind of stick with me here for a minute. So what we're going to do is this side here is going to have some pretty good size holes in it, down in through here, and it's going to have some quarter turn Zeus fasteners in it, and then our aluminum panels that will cover the rest of it up, they will be removable, and we will line it up right in here. That panel will go right down through there, and it'll just be all clean. You won't see this metal panel from the bottom side because we kind of gotta blend it all in here. So that's why this panel looks funky. It's because it's underneath my legs, and we had to have a welded in panel right there. So that's kind of what we're gonna have to run with. The rest of it will be made similar to this side, but it'll be made out of aluminum, and they'll all be Zeus fastened in. So let's get into the episode, and let's rock and roll here. Hannah, she's over here doing some sanding and some cleaning on a little chesty chest there. Having some fun there.
That's enough. That's enough.
And then Jesse, he's over here. He's making us up some quarter turn brackets there.
Painting the rear end.
Painting rear end, huh? Having a good old time. Jesse, you got them panels looking good, brother.
Thank you, my man. Slicker and glass.
That's right, slicker and glass. Yeah, man. Jesse, he's over here just kind of getting the panels, getting a clean finish over all of them before we bolt them all back up for the last time. And he's got them looking really good. And it's going to make the underneath of the car look real nice and have a real clean brushed finish. So thank you, Jesse, for knocking that out for me. And we'll keep on rocking and rolling here, brother.
That's right.
Alright guys, I'll take you back under here so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. So right now I've been welding up all those stiffeners underneath there, and I'll turn around here so you guys can see it. Yeah, so we're just getting them all welded up. This is that panel that Jesse's working on right now. So we'll get those stiffeners welded up, and then we'll move on back there towards the back. So it's just kind of, we're both just tag teaming it and working as a team here, and just getting some stuff done and moving forward here. And we've got to get all this welded in so we can put our arm back over here and get the car picked back up, move our stand over that side, so then we can start moving that direction there. So we're pretty much to the last bit of stuff to do over here on the driver's side. So rock and roll, guys. Okay guys, check this out. We're looking good here. Welds are looking good, and we're slowly but surely getting there. We are now about to reset our lift and put our pick point right back over in here again, and start over here on this side. We got most of the welding done. We're just getting a little bit done here at a time, and we'll show you guys a little bit of that, and then we'll get back into making templates and start filling all this area in over here. And we're really excited about it. Now we're moving on to aluminum panels. What we're going to do is this entire side here will be removable, so we'll use Clecos, Zeus fasteners like this right here, and everything will be removable so we can work on the transmission. And I know a lot of you guys are asking, you know, why would I want this side removable? That's going to look weird compared to this side. Again, by NHRA rules, this side has to be welded in, and this side can be removable. And the nice thing is, if this is removable and you need to take the transmission out through the car, you can step right through here with your legs and pull the transmission out without, you know, your feet beating the floorboards to death there. But we're rocking and rolling, and it's time to make some more templates. Alright guys, man, we're out here. It's getting at a very cool point right here. Right now we're just got our templates in on here on the passenger side. We're going to leave the center section till last to do. These are quarter turn Zeus's in. Right now we are putting the holes in the last template right here to get everything kind of mocked up and see what all we need to change. Right. Guys, we are on the passenger side. There's our template. We're getting ready to start using the Zeus fastener stuff. It's really cool, and we are excited about that. Look at this thing. It's going to turn out good. We're going to cut this thing out and do our bead rolls and put our bends in it. And guys, we're going to be rocking and rolling. Alrighty guys, we have our first aluminum panel up. We've got our Zeus's in right here. I'll show you guys. I've got to put another Zeus right here to get this slack out of it right here. You can see it kind of wobbling a little bit, and we got to get it nice and tight. So what we'll do is the car here. We're getting ready to make another panel, and just thought we'd stop and kind of talk about something real quick. So something I came across and Blaine made me aware of. So the panel here that we're working on, if you notice back here at the back, we now have it overlapping and going back this direction, meaning this panel here is on top of this panel. The reason for doing that is if you have it the other direction, wind comes this way and it can pull the panel down. We don't want that. We want it to just go straight across it and not jerk the panel down. So that was a lesson learned on my end. So moving forward, we are now going to start making this panel, and we need to do the same process again, meaning this panel is going to overlap this one. So when wind is coming across it, it won't jerk this panel down. So we got a little bit of work ahead of us here. We're getting ready to take this panel down and start cutting some aluminum. So let's get after it. All right guys, we're putting ourselves some marks down for our bead rolls. We're getting very close here. It's getting pretty cool. Finally be wrapping up on the last few panels here. We'll kick back here and turn some music on and do some bead rolls.
What are we working on?
Well guys, we're on that next panel there. We got this other one just bead rolled out, and we're just kind of mocking it up, see what it's looking like, and we're looking good. We're about to start marking some holes and start putting our Zeus fasteners in. But before that, we got a little bit of a crease we got to put in here. See where it's just kind of bowing down right here. We're going to put a little fix on that and we'll be in good shape. All right, and pause it. Okay guys, what we're going to do is we got ourselves some little tick marks put on here at 1/4 inch, and we're going to put just a little crease on this thing. It's not going to be a full hard bend or anything, just a little crease to help keep from this aluminum panels from, they get really warped after you've done bead rolls, and you can kind of see it's doing like this, and we need to kind of get some of that out. So we're going to put one of these in here at a time and see what this looks like. Yeah, there we go. All we've done there is just put just like a little crease down it, and that way when we go to Zeus fasten it down, it kind of gives it some spring and some pressure to really hold it straight. All right, go ahead and pause it. We're drilling the last hole for this panel. Boom. It's time to put this bad boy on there. pretty good. Real good. Alright, pause it. Alright guys, we're on the last panel on the passenger side. We're going to bead roll it first, finish trimming it out, and then start marking for our holes there for the Zeus fasteners. Excited, we're on the last panel. Woo! Oh snap guys, we got that side going in strong. We're starting our templates here in the center. We're getting ready to cut this one out right here. We got it in our hand and we're gonna knock it out, and we're just gonna keep on moving to the rear of the car there, getting all these panels knocked out. This is starting to look really nice. Boom, we are rocking and rolling. Okay guys, there we go. There's our next panel. We're getting ready to take it over there to the bead roller and bead roll it out. We've just been repeating the steps over and over and over again for every single panel. So let's rock and roll. Oh man guys, we got this thing looking good. Got about as far as I'm gonna be able to take it this weekend, and we also came across a little bit of a problem here. It's not too big of a deal. We'll have to remake these two panels right here, but that's kind of part of it. I didn't like how a certain part of it came out, and I'm going to have to kind of redesign that there. But you guys can kind of see how this is all coming together here. It's looking very, very nice. This should end episode 2, and we'll have ourselves a little chat here at the end of it. Got some cool news to talk to you guys, but I just want to kind of show you guys where we're coming to a close at for this episode, and we'll keep on rocking here. Alrighty guys, we just wanted to sit down here and have a quick chit chat here to end off the episode. We're ending episode 2 of the floor pan install. You guys got to see some of the problem areas we're working with there, and how far we've come. We're really rocking and rolling, and I hope you guys have enjoyed what all we've got done so far. Super cool announcement today. I know you guys have been waiting for a long time. We now have merch. The t-shirts have arrived. Check it out. Boom. The Full Metal Goat t-shirts are here. Boom. I hope you guys like them. That is the back you guys just saw, and this is the front right here. I think you guys will really like them. Shirtworks really hooked us up, and hooked us up with some cool stickers as well. But you guys stay tuned. We're going to make a post on Facebook on how to order these, and also down in the description below I'll have a link to how you can order some of these shirts right here, and we'll get that merchandise to you guys. Also, just as another reminder, these shirts help me build the GTO. Every shirt you buy helps me out a bunch, so definitely, man, if you guys can buy 5 or 6 or 10 of these things, it'll help me out more than you know. So again, just know the shirts are to help the goat out. This is the first edition shirts. The GTO is in full metal form on the shirt, so I wanted to kind of, you know, for everyone that buys onto these first edition shirts, you can say you helped build this thing. So again, thank you guys so much. We will have hats coming very soon. I'm hoping for about next episode you guys will get to see the hats. Maybe the episode after that. It's coming very soon. But anyways, again, thank you guys so much. Upcoming event, actually my birthday weekend, January, what is it, the 25th and 26th, they're having a swap meet at the Gray Fairgrounds. It's just a local swap meet event that me and some buddies are going to go to and hang out, do some filming, and see if there's any good deals there. So we'll be there hanging out, doing some filming, and if you guys see us, definitely holler at us. But till next time, you guys be sure to share our videos and like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a good one, and God bless.